Welcome to episode 2 of Basics of Crochet, and today we will learn how to do double crochet stitch. First we will start by making a slip knot, and now insert your hook into this loop, make it tight, and now we will work on foundation chain. So foundation chain we have already learned in our previous video. You can go through our episode 1 to learn how to do foundation chain, slip knot and single crochet. So let's complete our foundation chain till 20 chains. Our 20 chain is ready, and now we will do yarn over your hook, and now skip 1, 2 and 3 chains, or into fourth opening we will insert our hook like this and pull a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then again yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So this is called double crochet. Now again into next chain, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the chain and then pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops and then yarn over, pull through last these 2 loops. So like this, complete the row with double crochet stitch. Let's do last stitch, and our row 1 with double crochet stitch is ready. This is how your double crochet stitch will look. And now for the next row we will do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now turn your work, and for row 2 we will work into these gaps right here. Now yarn over your hook, insert your hook into this gap, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. So like this we will complete our row while working into these gaps. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So like this, complete our second row with double crochet stitches. Now these are our last stitches of the row. Right here, first we will work 1 double crochet stitch, and then you can see this loop, this gap. Now we will work into this tiny stitch right here. So work into this last stitch, yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And make sure that you are not skipping this stitch, because if you skip this stitch, this will make you decrease your rows. So like this, complete now our third row, and now you know how to do double crochet stitch. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and it was easy to understand, please make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video, and let me know in the comments what should I do next. Till then, see you, bye bye and take care.